Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a breakfast sandwich omelette. Just the omelette and not the entire sandwich. The first ingredient is, of course, some oyster mushrooms. Pluck them apart. Don't worry, after this video I'll show you how to make an entire breakfast sandwich. Chop your oyster mushrooms into smaller pieces. When you're done chopping them, set them aside. Our next ingredient is some chickpea flour. Add 1 cup of chickpea flour to a bowl. Now we're going to add some herbs and spices. Add some pure sea salt. Remember, alkaline vegans only use pure sea salt. Next, add some black salt. This will give it that eggy aroma and taste. This is optional, but you can add some cayenne pepper for heat. Add some onion powder. I found that your omelette tastes better when you add more. Add some mushroom powder for that umami taste. I made this in my egusi video. Click the link below to watch it. Next, we're going to add some chopped basil. I chopped this a while ago, hence the discoloration. Add half a cup of water and adjust as needed. Whisk until you get a light batter. You're looking for something as light as a pancake batter. Place a pan on medium-high heat and add some grapeseed oil. Toss in your chopped onions and let them saute until fragrant. For those of you waiting for my vegan fried chicken video, I just want to let you know it's coming. Next, add some diced red bell peppers. We're gonna follow our diced red bell peppers with our chopped oyster mushrooms. Trust me, this is unlike any vegan omelette you've ever tasted. Give it a quick mix and let it saute for 1 minute on medium-high. Add some ground coriander seeds. Next, we're going to add some dried oregano. Add a pinch of sea salt and give it a good mix. Hey, this is just a quick reminder to hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. Thank you. Now we're going to let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Once your oyster mushrooms shrink and start to turn brown, you're good to go. Set it aside for now. Place the same pan back on the stove, drop your heat to low heat, and add a touch of grapeseed oil. Now I'm going to be using this to shape my omelette. It's normally used for something else, but this time around I'll be using it to hold my omelette together and to give it a round shape. It's surprising, I've never seen alkaline or vegan omelettes made the way I'm about to make it. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Place it lip side down so it acts as a dam for the oil. I'm going to show you 2 ways to make this. Add a tablespoon or 2 of your sauteed mix, then spread it around. The first method is to immediately follow your sauteed mix with some chickpea batter. Add 1/3 of a cup of chickpea batter over your sauteed mix. Be sure to spread it around evenly. Increase your stove to medium-low heat, cover, and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. When you leave it properly covered, the steam will help cook the top as well. After 2 to 3 minutes, gently remove the mold and give it a flip. Cover and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. After all this hard work, your omelette is done. Take a look. Now this is what we call a game changer in the vegan and alkaline vegan worlds. Alright, let me show you all the second method. This time around, we're going to pour in the chickpea batter first. Without wasting any time, we're going to follow it with a sauteed mix. Finally, we're going to top it off with some more batter, cover, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the mold, give it a flip, cover, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Take a look at these masterpieces. Yes, I know they look like pancakes, but they don't taste like them. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to make a complete breakfast sandwich using these omelettes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.